my friend told me to do a trick, I guess, where you do $300 in this specific machine. I'm in the Tiki Fire Lightning Link machine. I believe this is the one. And I'm gonna do 10-cent denomination. I have $300 in, and I'm gonna do $25 a spin. And this is not something that I normally do, but we're gonna give it a shot and see if it helps. Nothing yet. $20. Ooh, let's do it. Aw, that would have been nice. All right, we're more than halfway down. No bonuses yet. We got 4 more spins. 3 more. 2 more. All right, last spin. Nope, didn't do anything. I tried.